How to add picture in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add pictures to PowerPoint. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you need to open up your PowerPoint presentation and select this slide where you want to insert the picture in. After that, head towards this menu bar at the top of this interface and click on Insert. Now under Insert tab, you have an option to add pictures. So just below the Insert option, there is this pictures. You have to click on it. Now you get two options, whether you want to add your picture from this device or the online pictures. If you go with the online pictures, here you have to type or you can search for the pictures right here and select one here. But if you already have an image in your device and if you want to add that, again go to Insert, click on Pictures and here click on this device. Now from your device you can select the picture that you want to add. Then click on Insert. There you go. Now the picture has been added. You can resize the pictures to your preferred size and you can drag and move the pictures wherever you want to add in your slide. So in this way you can add picture in PowerPoint, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.